Fermented batters use good bacteria to enhance safety. Unfermented batters rely on prompt cooking and hygiene. Both are safe when handled with care. Cake batter isn't acidic like dosa batter. It's highly perishable. Flour is a raw product that can carry E. coli and salmonella. Raw eggs add another risk, so never leave batter on the counter. Got leftover cake batter? You can easily store it for later. Pour it into an airtight container, pop it in the fridge for up to 24 hours. Then, bake and enjoy!
When making instant besan khaman, add the leavener and steam it immediately. Delaying degrades the leavening agent, resulting in flat dhokla and bacterial growth. Leaving batter out for 12 hours seems unsafe, but fermentation utilizes lactic acid bacteria, pH below 0.5. This environment makes it impossible for pathogens to survive. It is a race between good and bad microbes. Lactic acid bacteria produce acid, dropping the pH. This creates an environment where only the good survive.
Think of non-iodized salt as a buffer. It inhibits the growth of unwanted spoilage bacteria. This gives the good lactic acid bacteria time to take over. This ensures a perfectly fermented batter every time. Standard iodized salt can slightly suppress lactic acid bacteria and wild yeasts. Using non-iodized salt ensures that lactic acid bacilli are not suppressed.
Understanding your batter's fermentation timeline is key. In the pioneer phase, from 0 to 4 hours, microbes awaken. Activity begins as the pH starts to drop. From 4 to 12 hours, you reach the optimal growth phase. Acidity rises to keep the batter safe from spoilage. Notice the elastic, foamy texture and tangy aroma. This is the sweet spot for baking. Beyond 12 hours, the environment becomes overly acidic. The batter collapses and develops a sharp, unpleasant smell.
Once the batter has doubled in size and smells sour, fermentation is complete. You must move it to the refrigerator. Left out for more than 12 hours, acid levels get too high, breaking down the proteins. Eventually, mold takes over. Fermented batter lasts 3 to 5 days in the fridge. Whether it's a 3-day-old dosa batter or leftover cake batter, throw it out immediately if you observe any of the following. Pink or orange discoloration indicates a sign of serrascence. Any blue, green, white, or black fuzzy spots on the surface of the batter or the sides of the container indicates growth of fuzzy mold. Your batter should smell sour and slightly yeasty, much like yogurt. But if it smells rancid or like alcohol or even nail polish remover, then it has spoiled and you must throw it away. Check your batter before cooking. If it stretches like thick glue, it is over-fermented. This means the batter is breaking down. It is best to just throw it away.